Good morning, everybody. Now I want to describe about my project. My project title is IoT Enabled Water Conservation System using LoRa Low Power WAN. Myself is K. Raghavendra Reddy, and my other batchmates are B. Prasad and Sai Santosh Andu. My guide is to guide the account to this project is Arjun, Dr. Arjun sir. Let us go to the next content. Contents are about abstract, introduction, components required for the project, block diagram, flowchart, and advantages. These are the contents. Next, abstract. The main theme of this this to take the project is to overcome about the water problem systems in our daily life and during the present scenario where we're using the lot of power, lot of water usage like that. The main the water conservation is a practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage. Water conservation is important too because fresh clean water is a limited source of as well as costly one nowadays. And the priorities we try to conserve the water in apartments and locality, buildings, etc. Moreover, in colleges or hospitals like that. The components here we use it is ESP32, Arduino, LoRa, flow sensor, electric valve, buzzer, tap mechanism, and TTN. Introduction. In some large cities, large quantity of water wastage, but we use this project to avoid the water wastage. Some of the components here we use it like this, like ESP32, Arduino, flow sensor. At first, we tried with these apartments in cities. We provided some quality of water to the family in apartment. After usage of total, like for example, we take in a apartment there are a lot of family members available. We fixed the particular family member with a certain amount of water for each and every family. Like that, we given to every family. If the family completed more its water usage totally, they want to recharge for the water. With the help of this, we can avoid water wastage. The proposed smart city project helps to improve the quality of water. It helps to create more efficient and cost efficient municipal services and keep citizens informed. Uncontaminated water bodies are an important assets of cities. Next point. LoRa. What is LoRa? LoRa is a long range. Is the de facto wireless platform of Internet of Things. LoRa is flexible for rural and indoor users of like smart cities industries. LoRa transmissions work breaking the chips of the different places in time of frequency and order encode a symbol. And the next thing, the thing is LPWAN, like low power wide area network. That means a wireless technology interacted with low band and wide battery powered devices, low byte rates and overlong. TTN means the things network. Next thing. These are the properties of the LoRa. Like it's a ultra long distance around 2 kilometers, and it is a cost efficiency and complexity. It's a long lifetime, and we can it can strong against the Doppler effect, like that. Next thing. Here the block diagram of this low power LAN. Here the water will flow to the from water tank flow to the each and every apartment of the family member. Here we can collect the data from the electric valve and flow sensor, and we can collect data from the LoRa gateway to stop the water flow from there, and TTN and IoT to store the data according to the each and every apartment of the condition. We can with the help of this condition. The next thing is system design. Here we're using Arduino, for the help of LoRa we can collect data from Arduino, and we can give indication like visual buzzer and buzzer. We can display the water level of the how much is efficient, the water is full or the water is low, and we can with the help of this we can display in the LCD. Next thing. LoRa is the receiver. We can with the help of ESP32 we can with Wi-Fi module we can store that each and every apartment of the how much quantity of water we used they used, and we can with the help of this LoRa receiver we can store the data in cloud. This is the this is the flow chart of the task. Here the sensor will detect the how much flow and switching the conditions according to that. And set here we are setting the time slots of the each and every water flow of the family member, and will display the slots time. If the time interval is exceeds, the buzzer will on, and if not, it turn on the solenoid valve, and it will stops. Here the advantages of an advantages. In IoT, smart water meter tracks the quality of pressure and the consumed quantity of water household and industry. An IoT smart water sensor can be used to track flow of water across the entire planet and over the distributed channels, helping in leakage detection and to reduce water wastage. These are some of the results we get in the simulation part like this. This is the circuit connection of the we can see here, like here this is the LCD display. We can see the representation of how much water is filled. Like with the help of this buzzer we can indication we will get. This is the LoRa, and the downwards is Arduino. This is a gateway, and this is the flow sensor of how much water will speed up the flow water. Here the connection will be takes place in like this, and this one also for the water tank level we can see this. Now conclusion. In this project we discussed about the monitoring of the water distribution of the residency of a apartment by using LoRa technology. It is a less power consumed wireless technology. It readings the residence of its scenes. We have monitored the water level of using flow sensor. We can conclude that we can monitor the water supplied to the residency using LoRa technology, less power consumption to long range areas. And thank you for this giving this opportunity.